So what's up guys, welcome to CSS3 generator class. In this class we will look at how to generate the button. Okay, so directly come over here and whatever text that you want on your button, just type it over here. So I will say click me, and this is the font size. You could change the font size with the help of this button, and you could change the padding, and this is the roundness of the button. If you want to change the borders, then you could do that from here, and whatever color that you want on your button, then you could put the RGB color. Let me pick this color only. Okay, and I will paste it over here. So basically this is the text color, and now let me change the background. So when it comes to the background, this is the angle what is given. It's all about the gradient, and this is the start color. You could put over here, and end color you could put over here, just like how we have seen in our previous class. And this is the drop shadow. Okay, so drop shadow is basically the shadow what is seen in the background, and you could change the direction. You could make it blur, and this is how you could change the opacity of that shadow. And next is a text shadow. Okay, so when it comes to the text shadow, it is related to this text, and you could change its opacity, and you could change the distance, and if you want to change the angle, you could do that from this point. And after doing all these things, this is the HTML code. Okay, HTML code for that button. Just copy this code and paste it inside the body. Okay, I'll be pasting it about the paragraph. I will paste this about the paragraph, and this is the generated code, and I will copy this generated code, and this generated code should be put inside the style. So now what I'll do is I will give, okay, so class button has been given already, so I will say dot button, and I will paste that entire code inside of this parenthesis. I will save this with Control plus yes, and I will come over here and I will refresh this, and now this is the button what I'm getting. Okay, so this is how you could make changes with the button. And as can be seen, this is like overlapping on the paragraph P1, so I don't want that button to overlap, so I'll be giving it a little bit of margin. Okay, so if you guys remember, in the previous class we have studied about the margin, so I'll be giving a little bit of margin. And if I'm just coming and refreshing, then it is still not shifting itself. Okay, so as can be seen, this margin property is not working because this is completely different element, and even if I'm like giving the margin, it will be pushing away the elements away from this particular thing. But this button is actually not inside any element, it's an individual element. Okay, if I was putting this button inside the division and all, then this would have worked. But as of now, let's just make use of the BR. BR tag is basically, it is used to separate content. So if I'm like giving to BR tags, and if I'm saving this and refreshing my page, and now I'm getting that space. Okay, so you should be having very good knowledge about the other tags as well. Okay, so you might not know at what point what tag you might be using, so you should be having good knowledge about the HTML and then the CSS, then only you could proceed to the app development. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep learning, and in next class we will learn something new. Okay, see you guys in my next class.